All right, what's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. It's day two of me talking about Sol Trading Bot or STBOT, as the ticker is. And once again, based on my previous video, which I did 22 hours ago, okay, I want to show you guys something interesting. In 22 hours, we've basically gone from 300K market cap, all right, to now, if you look at the deck screener here for STBOT, we're currently at 719, right? So more than a 2x already. Now, again, you may have thought, oh, well, so-and-so person got in very early and now he's showing us, his bags, whatever. Well, the reality is, if you actually look on my Twitter feed, okay, first of all, where's my Twitter? I talked about STBOT right here, November 28th, when it was almost less than 100K. Currently it trades at 700. That's already a 7x if you just paid attention to my Twitter feed, right? I let my Advantage members know here that my average was like 148, 150 market cap. Okay, I even told them my capital size, really not that big. It's not like I put in a ton of money, but the reality is that this is the average that I got in at. And guess what? I'm not new to Telegram bots. I've owned Banana Gun Bot before, right? I bought it at like 11 or 12, sold it at 14 just yesterday. I also used to own Unibot, okay? Unibot, I bought back in May, if you look at the date right here. And I bought it at $17. And I sold it yesterday for about 350% gain. Okay, this is posted here for my members, right? Bought it on average 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Basically, I had up and down average, but the point is I picked the highest average and I said, okay, let me get out and take my profit and basically move this money into my Solana ecosystem plays, which I really, really believe in because it's just the same thing, right? Unibot, Banana Gun Bot, or STBOT. This Telegram bot. Okay, but it's just on Solana. And why do I think it's better on Solana? Because things are faster, they're cheaper, they're better. It's easier to attract users on Solana because they could trade it way better and way quicker and way cheaper, right? That's exactly what you want out of a Telegram bot, especially if you're sniping shitcoins. Okay, they have all these features coming out. They have a ton of activity, going into their model. And I really like the fact that, this team is young and early and we get to bet on them young and early. That's kind of what you want out of these plays, right? If you look at CoinGecko right now, and again, I already did the same video yesterday, but why am I talking about it again today? Because I still think that STBOT, anything less than $3 to $5 million market cap is insanely undervalued. Okay, let's just say 3 million market cap. That's already like 4 or 5x from here. Again, this is not investment advice. I'm not telling you to buy or anything, but this is probably one of the easiest trades I've seen come around, in a long time. Right? If we look at Unibot right now, again, Unibot trades at a $75 million market cap. It literally does the same thing as Solana Trading Bot. Okay, so imagine 3 or 6 months from now when people start realizing, well, Ethereum and Unibot are a little bit more expensive in terms of pure market cap and just actually trading and buying and selling the shit coins, right? Versus Solana Trading Bot is at a much better valuation and it's easier and faster and cheaper and better to use to Solana chain rather than Ethereum. What do you think is going to happen several months from now? Don't think now as a market cap. Think what could be the market cap if this were to replicate Unibot at a 75 million. And let's just say we don't even go to 75 million, because guess what? Unibot less than 6 months ago was at a $200 million valuation. Now, again, I know back then Telegram bots were novel, right? They were new and they were exciting and they were fun. But the game hasn't changed. People like trading shitcoins and buying and selling shitcoins now more than they ever did before, especially on Solana, because Solana has momentum to it. There's airdrops coming. There's more and more money flowing through Solana. If we look at the Solana chart, right, looking as is, it's a way better chart than something like Ethereum, right? If you look at Ethereum versus Solana, this is, in terms of appeal, in terms of pure market cap, Solana is much more of an exciting ecosystem right now. Okay, so that's why I'm still very, very bullish on STBOT, especially because it's in the Solana ecosystem and because it's a cheaper market cap, because the replication of, STBOT compared to Unibot in terms of pure market cap, there's just so much of a higher ceiling. So that's why I'm incredibly bullish on it. And you can kind of see, right? Yesterday when I did the video, there were 1,500 followers for STBOT. Now there's about 9,000, right? There's a ton of activity actually happening on the Telegram bot, the Sol Trading bot, if you actually just pay attention. Users are growing, activity is growing, revenue is growing. People are buying the tokens more. You can even see the holder base right here, the STBOT holders, right? There's a lot of people who are at the top getting rid of their tokens, but a lot of people at the bottom who are willing to buy and buy and buy. That is what makes a market good for, smaller cap assets like STBOT. It takes less than $400 or $500 to get into the top 100 of the STBOT craze. And why is that important? Well, because the top 100 holders, Solana Trading Bot has said, they're going to get rewards and they're going to get rev share and profit share. That's what you want to look for, is passive income by just holding an asset like STBOT. And again, for less than $500, you get to be in the top 100 of holders. That's quite incredible, right? I remember when I had gotten into Unibot, several months ago, it was the same thing. It was just a very new, novel idea back then. And so, and Unibot was trading, at $17, and they were really getting their marketing campaign going. People are starting to use the Telegram bots more. They're starting to use Unibot more. And that's exactly where I think STBOT is right now. I believe that their Telegram presence is growing ever more. I do think that they're just going to continue to grow. And, like I said, I talked about STBOT multiple times. I talked about it 100K, 200K, 300K. Now it's currently sitting at 700K, right? So if you look at my feed, it's riddled with STBOT, and I see no reason why I shouldn't continuously keep buying more and more STBOT as it goes higher, right? And again, this is just my thoughts on the market, not investment advice, not telling you to buy or sell, but I'm telling you that this is, for me, one of the easiest plays I see in the market right now. And if you see the same thing that I'm seeing, right, I think you know exactly what to do, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I also see Solana ecosystem as a whole growing. I mean, I see the TVL being extremely undervalued at a 680 million, market cap TVL for Solana. I expect this to at least, 3x to 5x in the coming weeks, especially today, the fact that we got the Jupiter airdrop, right? The Jupiter airdrop is going to push a lot of money, interest, activity, users into the system. And that money flows outward into other aspects. It just grows, parabolically in the Solana ecosystem. And then it benefits things like Telegram bots. It benefits things like meme coins. But at least here for STBOT, it's an actual product with actual users doing actual, activity on chain, rather than a meme coin, which literally does nothing, right? It's really nothing. Meme coins are nothing more than, the greater fool theory in a sense, all right? But at least here, that there's, rev share, profitability, users, activity, product growth, scalability, all kinds of stuff that, ties into growing a product, growing a company, is all available to see for STBOT in real time. So that I find fascinating. So anyway, if you got a chance to see my video yesterday, right? Today's video is nothing, different. It's just repeating the same information, but just at a higher price. And I'm going to keep doing this because I'm trying to let people know this is the opportunity that you want to be able to spot, every now and then. Every now and then the market gives you opportunities like this. And it's kind of a sin if you pass up on doing research on it, right? It's not about buying or selling, again, not investment advice, but you got to do your research of why Telegram bots, why Soul Trading Bot is going to be as good as Unibot at 75 million, if not better than Unibot. Okay, that's all I got. Good luck, everybody. If you have any other questions, shoot them my way. You can find me on Twitter right here, or you can join our Discord channel. The link is below. Take care. Cheers, and we'll chat soon, okay?